How's it going, guys? It's Travalgar Valentine. I'm continuing my Ford Escort Mark II drawing. So today I'm going to do the windscreen. So got my 0.5 pen here, just do the outline of it. Then just get my little wee curve tool here. It's a bit small, let's get the big one out. Try and find the same angle. And just from this side. Okay. Then start with the front area so we can get some windscreen wipers in. And the other one. Okay. Okay, now I'll do some coping marker just in the center of there. And inside the window, and the seat will come around there. Okay, so this is the inside area. Then maybe shade, I like a shade of grey. Let's bring this down. Okay. Then a little bit of blue tint in it. Make it strong at the top and just work down. Just to give it that little sky colour. You do some here as well. Okay, then some Posca markers. Just to highlight a little area. Just to sit on top. There, kind of creates like a surface on top of all that I've just created. I want to make that a bit lighter. Okay, now let's get the roof in. It's going to be darker just on this edge. And just a bit of orange. Let's create a nice soft edge. Okay. I noticed I've got a bit of yellow, quite a strong yellow tone there. So now I think I need to add more yellow to the actual drawing. Maybe a bit on this bumper as well. Okay, that looks good. See anything else we need to add. Where is my biro gone? Just want to make this a bit smoother. Just soften off that edge a little bit. Might add a bit of a red tone just in this edge with the fine liner. Okay, maybe just a touch of white. Okay, I think that'll do for the windscreen. I think in the next episode I'll finish off with the wheels, but yeah, that's looking good. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you later.